Hello friends, today's topic is how to check IKEA gift card balance in United States. So you can check balance on your gift card through online. Visit the official IKEA website and scroll down, navigate to the gift cards section in footer of homepage. Look for an option to check your gift card balance. Log in your account. Unauthorized users cannot access the electronic system. Enter your gift card number or redemption code and, if applicable, the PIN to view your money amount. And send request. And you are done. Method 2. IKEA US gift card balance check by phone. Call the official customer service number at 1-888-888-4532. Follow the automated prompts to check your certificate balance. You need to provide your card number during the call. Wait for the data processing to complete and listen to the voice message from the automatic assistant. This method is good when there is no internet connection or lack of skills in using modern systems. This is especially true for older people. And you are done. By using this method, you can check IKEA gift card balance. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.